Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. If you have been reposting videos on TikTok and now want to clean up your profile by removing a reposted video, you are in the right place. Today we are gonna guide you through the steps to delete a reposted video on TikTok. Let's dive into it. Firstly, make sure you have the latest version of the TikTok app installed on your mobile device. Once it's ready, open the app. Browse through TikTok and find videos you would like to repost. Follow the usual steps to repost the video by tapping on the share icon and selecting repost. Now navigate to your profile by tapping on the me icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your TikTok profile. Look for the icon that represents your reposted videos. Tap on it to access the list of videos you have reposted. Scroll through the list and find the reposted video you want to remove. Tap on it to open the video. Look for the share button, usually located on the right side of the screen. Tap on it to open the sharing options. Among the sharing options, you will see Remove Repost. Click on it to confirm that you want to delete the reposted video. And there you have it, a simple guide on how to delete a reposted video on TikTok. If you have found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit the bell icon to stay updated.